Hello everyone. My name is
Vincent.
Vincent.
And
This is the advanced video
class
coding final homework. Today my
topic
topic
is
how to use Short Script
to
install OpenStack single node employment. Actually, OpenStack technology consists of a series of interrelated projects which controls a given deployment of hardware, providing processing, storage, and networking. Deployments are managed using a simple UI and a flexible API, which can be used by third-party software. OpenStack is really famous. ICE. What is the full name of ICE? It means infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure is meant to be open, trustworthy, and secure. The best way to ensure trust in infrastructure is the use of open source software and hardware exclusively at the infrastructure level. So today before beginning this guide, check the environment as follows. First is your server already installed Ubuntu 14.04, and this server can use SSH to log into your server. After you set up your server, you need to aptitude gate install the OpenSSH server, and in the setting you can use the SSH to log into your server. And another thing I need to talk about the equipment. The equipment is really important thing of setting up OpenStack because I need to talk about my equipment first. My equipment is i7 core and can support virtualization technology, and I got a 32 GB RAM. I think that is enough to build the OpenStack system. So at first I need to log into my OpenStack server, and I have my own website to introduce the OpenStack. So I will show you how to use the resources from my website to install the OpenStack. Okay. Before this all begin, I need to say I use the short script is it's not so difficult, and actually it spend a lot of time. So at the meantime, I will talk something about the OpenStack. Let me log into my server, Ubuntu server. I already set up before. Okay, here we go. Super PC 1, and in my password, and at first you need to use the root privilege. Oh my screen com. Okay, I shrink my camera. And in the right hand, the list is my website, and I will follow the step to install the OpenStack. And if I have time, I will talk about the OpenStack component. Okay, at first, just use the root privilege. Okay, password again. At first, you need to update. Oh, at first, I want to install is the GitHub, the Git package, and the vim editor. Vim editor is just like WordPad and to edit the word in some configuration files. So apt get aptitude gate install git vim. Okay. Just. Do you want to continue?
Continue?
Yes. Okay, I think it's very quickly. Just wait for a moment. Actually, OpenStack has three parts. The first part is about the compute. The second part is about the storage. The third part is about networking. I will talk it later. Let me just keenly. The next I already installed the Git and the vim and just apt get update. I need to update. Check my operating system is the newly one. I'm afraid of my system is outdated. Okay, and upgrade my old package. Upgrade. Yes. Okay, it takes some time. That's okay. Okay. Most of people ask me what OpenStack is not. I need to say OpenStack is not a single open source project. And it is not the hypervisor. And it is not a storage platform. And actually, this is not compatible to VMware. I think that's has their advantage. So what is OpenStack? OpenStack is a group of open source projects providing comprehensive cloud service. Today there are currently 7 core projects within OpenStack. Most projects are in incubation phase. All these projects communicate via public APIs. And it is supported by the OpenStack Foundation and independent legal entity. Yes. Okay. After I upgrade all my packages, and I need to start to install OpenStack script. So I need to clone the git clone the shell script from the GitHub in my account. Got some information. And when you look. When the check connected done, it means my I already download the shell script from the GitHub. Okay, just move to another directory. Okay, too much. Nice house. Okay. Good. Okay. And at first I want to install networking. OpenStack networking. Okay. Actually, I need to talk about some information from network interfaces. You need to manually configure your Ethernet interface to support a non-routable static IPv4 address and an auto-configured IPv6 address. And this script will output a short configuration block which you press manually in ETC network interfaces. And and pay attention to you need to be sure to edit the IP addresses before you save the file. I suggest you can use an older set of IPs like 100, 103, etc. And for your rigs, if you want to do some multiple node installation. But today I will just do the single node installation. So just skip it. And another thing is you also need to edit your host file into content and entry for your controller and any computer rigs. But I still not to do it today because that's just for the just for the you want to do some multi-node installation. Go back. It looks like need to take some time. Go back to the component parts. Okay. Here is the picture of the component, and the most important one is the compute component. They named Nova. And the object store the Swift. You need to save your image. And OpenStack image glance is the image management package. And the identity you use the keystone be the identity package. And now I need to install Quantum. This is the networking. This is the OpenStack networking is the manage the networking parts, and the block storage is called Cinder. Here is the picture, and the last one I lost to introduce is the Horizon. Horizon is the interface of using OpenStack. So here is the procedure. I the keystone can give the authentication to all these components. And if you want to use keystone, you need to got the keystone authentication, Nova, Glance, Swift is all the same. So Nova can compute the virtual machine and the Quantum provide the internet capability, and the Cinder provide the storage. And the compute component will put the image save into the glance, and glance will put the hard drive information save into Swift. But these all things have the manipulated interfaces by Horizon. So that is the structure of the OpenStack. Okay, here we go. I need to set up the cluster's IP. Okay, VIM, ET host. Okay. You press the button I to become the become the 18 mode. 1.97.23.160. This is my IP. So one sniper at 6. Okay. Copy this command to make sure you change the host file. Oh my god. Let's do some wrong. I use Control D to get out of this situation. Oh my god. Control D, right? What's going on? Um. Oh, my computer just broken. Let's connect again. Okay. Let's do. Go back to the directory I used before. Okay, good. This is my old files. Okay, perfect. And after I set up the networking. Here we go. Here is set up networking. The next one is the OpenStack server test. I need to test this server is support the KVM and support the virtualization technology. Okay. Here we go. Your CPU seems to support KVM extension, so it's good. And I need to update my system. I use the OpenStack system update share script. So it will update automatically. Okay, after I introduce the OpenStack component, I want to introduce the compute parts of the component. Actually, the compute part is conceptually similar to Amazon EC Square, and it can the special part is free, and it can leverage multiple hypervisors such as them, KVM, vSphere, and Hyper-V. But after I test, I think KVM has the good compatible of the OpenStack. So we already use the KVM as our hypervisor. Okay. After I update, I need to do some setup. Okay. Enter the device name for Rick's is the Ethernet zero. Is the controller node? Yes. Okay. Enter password to be sure for the OpenStack. Revise it to the MySQL. I set up as the OpenStack. Remember, it is your password. Don't forget it. OpenStack. Okay. Enter the email. My email is OpenStack. gmail.com. Enter show name to use for your default region. We're in Taiwan, right? Okay, Taiwan. Okay, multi-node installed. Yes. Okay. If you want to do some multiple install, you just need to copy. Oh my god. You just need to copy this URL and which is this URL? It is talk about the information of this lab. Okay. Go back to my installation. So after that, I need to install the OpenStack MySQL to step some database. Okay, here we go. I already done. Okay. We are in the MySQL and RabbitMQ. So um And another special part I need to talk about is identity. Meta-identity is leverage a pluggable architecture that can support the LDAP server, SQL server, and the backend service. This is special part. It can do a lot of pluggable things. So we are now in the database lab. This is only required for the controller rig. If you use the computer rig, you need to skip this step. Okay. So analytics script will install the Rabbit and the MySQL at the same time. During the MySQL install, you will be prompted for the MySQL password. You enter to set the password for the MySQL user. So you'll be prompted again to revert the end of the script when it creates the databases. I will talk you later and let you know how to set up. Here we go. Okay, here we go. I need to new password. I still use the OpenStack. Make sure you write the same password. Okay. Okay. Enter the current password for root. OpenStack. Okay. Change your root password. Absolutely not. Yes. Remove anonymous users. Yes. I gonna use all these cautions. Enter the password. Remember is the OpenStack. Okay. This works good. And the next thing is I need to install the identity. Keystone. Keystone is used by OpenStack to provide secure authentication across all installed service. I talked in the beginning. And after this installation is done, I need to test the Keystone by setting the environment variable using the newly created stack.rc file. And I will show you how to create the new stack.rc file. Keystone here. We go. Keystone is slowly. Okay. So quickly we're done. Okay. And test the keystone I told you before. Just use the stack RC file. Okay. And use the keystone user list. Make sure your keystone is good. Okay, look like looks good. This is the name. Okay, here we go. And then the next one I need to install the OpenStack Cinder to provide the the storage. Cinder. Oh my god! I need to install Glance first. But that's fine. According to my tutorial, I need to install the Glance first. But I can install the Cinder first. So here's our step Cinder. After I get a Cinder, I will go back to install Glance, the image management package. So Cinder is used to provide additional volume attachment to run instance and snapshot space. So after Cinder is complete, I need to determine my space requirement and run the loopback volume creation script. I will use the dot slash OpenStack loop to run the script. Okay. It's done. And I need to install the OpenStack root. Okay. Use the loopback file for Cinder 50 GB. I set up with 50 GB. I think 50 GB works good. Okay. I'm not gonna go back to install the Glance. I forget it before. OpenStack. Glance. Okay. After I finish the Glance, I will use the Glance image list to show the image. I install in the how to say initial script. I will install the Cyrus and Ubuntu Precise 12.04. This is my default installation for the image. Okay. I need to use the Glance image list to steal the image. It's look like just like I said. I install the Cyrus and the Ubuntu Precise 12.04. Okay. After that, I need to install here. We go here Nova. The compute parts. OpenStack Nova. Okay. And after that, I need to use the Nova image list to make sure Nova is successfully installed. Nova is work for the OpenStack compute parts, and I think Gladys provision and manage large network of virtual machines. I need to talk about the computer parts important things is the flexible architecture. Actually, OpenStack is architecture to provide flexibility as you design your cloud with no proprietary hardware or software requirements, and the ability to integrate with legacy systems and third-party technologies. It is designed to manage and automate pools of computer resources, and it can work with widely available virtualization technologies, as well as bare metal and high-performance computing configurations. Okay, compute. Okay, the Nova part is takes a long time. Actually, Nova provides multiple services to OpenStack for controlling networking, imaging, and starting the stopping instance I told you before. And so besides, I want to talk about if you want to install a computer rig, you need to use another shell script to install it because the shell script is different. Okay. I'm gonna use the Nova service list, not image list. I want to use the Nova image list. That's fine. Choose one you like. Make sure your Nova is good, or you can Nova service list. Service list. Okay, it works good. OR in enable. And the next package I want to install is the Horizon. Okay. Horizon provides the OpenStack management interfaces. So after I install the Horizon, I will set up the IP. The IP part is kind of difficult, not difficult, kind of different. I need to set up the. You need to know the IPv4 and IPv6, and I will demo with IPv4. And here is my tutorial, and I set up the range is the 10.10.10.0, and the separate is 24. This is the mask 255.255.255.0. So I want to use the this is the A class, internet. I want to use the C class internet. Okay, and change this one fixed range v4 IPv4, right? So I want to oh my god, what's going on? Just like before. Okay, one more time. Okay. What's going on? One more time. Okay, set up the floating IP. Let me check. I can choose anything I want. Okay, change to these classes. 192.168.30.30.0. Okay, and just push enter. And use the Nova network list to make sure the IP works good. Here we go. Is the private and the 192.168.30.0. Okay. Here is all that setting up, and I can log into my OpenStack server to run the instance. This is my IP. And IP/Horizon. Okay. I can log in. The username is admin, and the password is OpenStack. I set up before. Okay, and I can show you my hypervisor management program. I have core and 31 gigabyte RAM and 1.8 terabyte storage. And I even can combine all my machines and do some instance. If I want to do some instance, I use the project compute execute instance and just open the instance. And here is the image and the the security group. Security group. I always use the manage rules and add rules. Use the ICMP and HTTP. Remote desktop is important. And the SSH. If I install the Ubuntu server, I need to SSH. And this is my system information. Here we go. Compute server. Okay. Here's our information. And I can. This is our users. I set up before. Okay. If you here is the here is the flavor I can choose I like, and I will launch the instance for test. And then choose the large one. I like a large one. And install from the image. And use the Ubuntu open. Okay. Wait, it's a moment. Okay, it takes a long time, and I got the IP address because I set up 192.168.13.2. And this is all about my tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask below the YouTube comment. So that is all my tutorial. Thanks very much.